Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So we are learning about the vitamins, right? Vitamins, their uses and the sources. Now we'll continue our class. Okay. Next we'll see what are the other vitamins. Next, vitamin B9, folic acid and B12. Okay.
Vitamin B9, folic acid and vitamin B12 are needed for healthy blood, growth of new red cells and a healthy spinal cord. Sources are meat, fish and dairy products. Deficiency of vitamin B9 and vitamin B12 result in anemia.
ओके, सो विटामिन 9 किस लिए जरूरी है हम लोगों को? विटामिन 9 और विटामिन B9 B12 फॉर हेल्थी blood growth and new red cells, okay, and the healthy spinal cord. So here these all are the sources: meat, fish and the dairy products. And the deficiency disease is anemia. Okay, now next is vitamin C.
Vitamin C is needed for fighting infections, healing of wounds, healthy gums and for growth and repair of body cells. Sources include citrus fruits, oranges, lime, grapefruit, amla, germinating pulses. Deficiency leads to scurvy and bleeding of gums.
Okay, so here vitamin C is good for our body for fighting infections, healing and wounds, gums and growth and the repair of body cells. Okay, and these are the sources: citrus fruits, lime, amla, oranges, grapefruit. Okay, these all are the sources, and the disease is scurvy, bleeding, gums. Okay. Then next, vitamin D.
Vitamin D is required for absorbing calcium for strong bones and for nerves and muscles to work well. Milk, butter, fish, egg yolk, cod liver oil, halibut liver oil and sunlight are a few sources. Deficiency leads to rickets, curved or bent bones.
Okay, so vitamin D is good for absorbing calcium, strong bones, nerves and the muscles to work well. Okay, and the sources are milk, butter, fish, egg yolk, cod liver oil, halibut oil, liver oil and the sunlight. Okay, we'll get vitamin D from these all. And the disease is rickets, means curved or bent bones. Next is vitamin E.
Vitamin E is needed for red blood cells to function properly. It also protects cells from chemicals that damage them. Vegetable oils, beans, whole grain food and eggs are a few sources. Deficiency will lead to cell damage.
So vitamin D is good for red blood cells to function properly. Okay, ये red blood cells को proper functioning के लिए help करता है and protect cells from chemicals that damage them. Okay, then the sources are vegetables, oils, beans, eggs, whole grains food. Okay, so these all are the sources of vitamin E. And the deficiency disease is damaged cell. Okay, उससे जो है हमारे cells damage हो सकते हैं vitamin E की कमी से.
Vitamin K is essential for clotting of blood and healing of wounds. Green leafy vegetables, eggs, cheese and liver are some sources. Deficiency leads to hemophilia.
So lastly, vitamin K, it helps in the clotting of blood, healing of wounds, and the sources are green leafy vegetables, eggs, cheese, liver, and the disease is hemophilia. Okay, so thus all the vitamins help the body to function properly, right, and help us fight the diseases. So you can see that most vitamins are found in green leafy vegetables, right? By seeing this chart, we get that we'll get the vitamins mostly from the green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, eggs and the cheese. इन सब चीजों से ही जो है हमको ज्यादातर vitamins मिलते हैं. So it is better to get your vitamins from natural sources than by taking multivitamins pills. A varied diet will give you all the vitamins you need. Okay, so बैलेंस डाइट लेने से, वराइट डाइट से जो है आपको प्रॉपरली सफिशिएंट जो भी विटामिन्स होते हैं वो सारे आपको मिल जाते हैं. ओके.